Okay, this is my gas dryer, and today I'm going to walk you through changing the gas valve solenoid coils, and tell you what to look for when if you suspect that they're out. You see that little hole right there? Most dryers have those. They're probably covered by a little plastic plug. And you turn the dryer on. This is a gas dryer, by the way. Electric dryer is totally different. You turn the dryer on and set to high heat, and you watch through that hole, and you watch the burner light off. And the burner should light off and stay lit for a good 5 minutes, and then cycle off, and it should repeat, and it'll repeat a couple times, but eventually it'll stop, and the igniter will come on, glow, and then the igniter will shut off, but the gas won't come on, and the burner won't start, and therefore your clothes won't dry. And that means that the coils for the solenoids of the gas valve are bad, and you need to really replace them. I got the model number off this dryer, looked up on Sears Parts Direct because it is a Kenmore, and got the part number of the coil kit, and then I looked it up on Amazon. I got the coil kit for $6, but I had to wait 5 days. You may be able to get the parts from a local appliance store or a local wholesaler, depending on what's in your area, what brand it is. But you gotta pay much more money than getting the parts off Amazon. This coil kit, if I bought it locally for full retail, would have been $40–50. Anyway, these are extremely easy to change. When I used to work for the appliance store here in town, I was expected to be able to diagnose this problem, repair it, and be out the door in less than 20 minutes. So it's not that hard to do. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to lift up the top of this dryer. We're going to use a putty knife to do that. There's also 2 screws underneath the lint trap. And then that whole you just pop the clips on at the front with a putty knife after you remove those 2 screws, and the whole top will lift up. And then there's 2 screws hold the front on, and the whole front comes off, and that gives you access to everything. That's how you change the belt. That's how you do everything. And oh, I forgot to mention, if when you're diagnosing this, the burner comes on and only stays on for like 30 seconds or a minute and shuts off and keeps repeating that means you have an airflow problem, and then not the coils. And that means that your vent is plugged. You need to take the hose off or pipe and clean it all out and vacuum out the inside of the pipe that goes into the dryer, and possibly take the whole dryer apart and clean it. That will fix that. It won't take any parts. But that's an entirely different video. And let's get to this. Get rid of this lint. Also, you should unplug this and take it apart. You'll need a 5/16 nut driver to take these two screws that hold the front on. And be sure to disconnect the wires for the door switch. It has a plug in the wires for just such occasions. And the entire door just front just comes right off. Now your coils are right down there on the gas valve. And I'm going to remove them. It should just be a Phillips screw. You'll probably need a stubby screwdriver to get at them. Remove the screws.